Hey everyone, Luke Thornton here. If you've been following this channel for a while, you know me as the guy documenting the travels, the flips, and the occasional walk through the neighborhood and outdoor adventures. But life has a funny way of evolving, and I've realized that the most valuable things I share aren't just the what of my day, it's the how and the why. That's why we're making a change. From today on, we aren't just living life. We're leaning into the everyday experience. I'm rebranding this space and launching a new podcast series to go along with it. To focus on one thing, cultivating authentic stories. Because the truth is, the most extraordinary lessons don't always happen during the big milestones. They happen in the everyday moments in between. So what can you expect? We're keeping it upbeat, we're keeping it positive, and as always, I'm giving it to you straight, no fluff. We're going to talk about travel, but beyond the brochures. I want to show you the secret treasures, the places like Puerto Vallarta, where the culture and the people make the trip, not the resort. We're going to talk about real estate, but not just the hammers and nails. We're talking about the strategy, the investment, and the legacy of building something from the ground up. And we're going to talk about growth. Whether you're 27, like my son Anwar, navigating a new career, or you're in your 60s like me, looking at your next chapter, life is about the experience of constant learning. We're going to have those conversations here. The biggest shift is how can you join the conversation? The everyday experience is now a hybrid. If you like the visuals, stay right here on YouTube. But if you like me and you're hitting the pavement for a 6-mile walk or you're on the road, you can now take these stories with you on a major podcast platform. Not just me all the time. We're bringing in guests, people with authentic stories who are doing the work day in and day out. We're going to dig into what it means to actually cultivate a life you're proud of, one everyday experience at a time. I've spent 50 years in sales, marketing, and media. I've owned franchises, flipped houses, and raised a family. If there's one thing I've learned, it's that authenticity is the only currency that matters. I want to thank you for being part of the journey so far. I hope you'll stick around for this new chapter. Hit that subscribe button. Find us on your favorite podcast app, and let's start cultivating something real. I'm Luke Thornton. This is the Everyday Experience. Let's get to work.